Where there was once a Lexan, there is now a ReGen. So this, I believe, was originally an OTIS Lexan Hydraulic. I never actually rode the original lift though, because I never came here on a weekday until now. So this is the management office's lift for the shopping centre. Where are the buttons? Here they are. And we'll watch out the window going up. The original lift was glass too. Awesome. Here at 2. Shanghai step fixtures. Let's look at the indicator on the way down. And here we are back at ground.
Ground floor.
Torques as well, which is nice. There it goes. And that's it.